Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. It is easy to make money, but remember, it's easier to lose money. What I mean is, it is easier to lose, that is, it's easier to make 1 lakh rupee to 40,000, and that much more difficult to convert 40,000 into 1 lakh. That is because we enter a trade without any reason. We need to enter a trade only when there is a trade. And who says when there is a trade or not, there is no trade? The indicators say that. So we need to have a look at what the indicators say, whether indicators are compelling us to take a trade or not, and do accordingly. Today, for example, Nifty opened flat, went up a couple of dozen points, giving false hopes, and then went down by 100 and odd points, and there is not much of a indication for at least positional traders. Day trader can always look at 15 minutes chart, 5 minute chart, 1 minute chart, and take a trade as per the indicators signals. Whereas for a positional trader, there is nothing. So wait. If you have already taken the trade earlier last week on the positive or negative side, see what your stop loss or trailing stop loss is doing. Let it take its own course. So today, I really don't have any suggestions as such, except that I will provide you with the indicators of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the components of Nifty, so that you can have a look at it and decide what you want to do. This, for example, is the screenshot of all the 50 Nifty components and how they have done. It's in alphabetical order here. You can have a look how it is and decide what you want to do. I will also show you all the indicators and the combo of the indicators. So have a look and then decide. These are the Nifty components. They are in alphabetical order here. And if you want to have a look at the profitability thing, top line, of course, top row is Nifty. Otherwise, it's highest gainer to slowly going down and ending with the highest loser. Have a look at it and decide what you want to do. This is it. So these are the Nifty components. Now let's have a look at the Nifty. This is the Nifty's combo for last couple of weeks. See what they are saying. You can see up to here it was greenish, then here it was reddish, and slowly it was making green, and today it was nowhere. The same way, let's have a look at Bank Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty indicators combo for last couple of weeks. See how it looks. And then let us go to Nifty 50s components indicators. The Nifty 50 components indicators in, of course, alphabetical order. Have a look at it. This is the next page. This is the way it is. So have a look at all these, analyze properly, and the oft-beaten cliche often I tell, plan your trade and trade your plan for tomorrow, and let us take it up from tomorrow morning, how it goes. Let's see how it goes, and then let us take it up from there. Okay, nothing special, no highlighting movements of any share, except that Titan has gone up as expected. Divi's lab has gone down as expected. These were the things that we had discussed last week. So, except for that, there isn't much. For a change, once again, the Adani twins, Adani Enterprises and Adani Ports has gone down today, and of course, SBI and Infosys TCS have gone down today. So, let us wait for tomorrow how it goes. Let's see and take it up from there. Till then, goodbye.